Looking for something to do among avid gardeners just like you? Ike here at Bountiful Gardens, where not only do we sell plants, we offer all sorts of events and workshops too. But before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can find out more. This week, we were so excited to welcome Pamela Hubbard to our Ewing and Hillsborough stores to talk about her new book, The Contemporary Cottage Garden.
Thank you so much to Bountiful Gardens for inviting me. I am an author, a speaker. I've been a garden coach for some years.
Pamela's talk was unique in that it centered on one of the core values here at Bountiful Gardens, the idea that the love of gardening can be passed through generations and evoke cherished memories and feelings of nostalgia.
I learned to garden at my grandmother's knee, and her cottage garden was amazing. I have spent the last 20 years creating a cottage garden, as I had always dreamed to do, just like my grandmother's, all about memories. It was all about passing that heritage on to my children and grandchildren.
Her book touches on the essentials of the perfect cottage garden, utilizing old-fashioned gorgeous plants like echinacea, hollyhock, primrose, garden phlox, and of course, roses, and the best ways on how to structure them cohesively.
So what do we mean when we talk about a cottage garden? A cottage garden has wide, curvy borders. There is always dense planting. There's an abundance of flowers, a riot of color. There is always a focal point.
The event was a hit. Attendees gave glowing reviews and felt excited and motivated to go and start their own cottage gardens. We also offer all sorts of other events like group terrarium classes, birthday parties, and a variety of other talks so you can learn and grow on your gardening journey. The joy of gardening is something we're always excited to share, and the best way to stay in the loop on our events and workshops is to head to bountifulgardens.com and join our mailing list, or of course, sign up in store. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it down below and leave a comment if you had any questions about our events or how to sign up for a class. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos just like this. Thanks, and happy planting.